this plug-in. It's 11726. We have 800 on the A trip, and if we want to reset, we go. So my current odometer is 160,000 pretty much, 807. So I'm gonna go to AAA, and I'm gonna shut off the car. Then I'm gonna hit the kilometer button, which the normal other regular Prius is over here. So I'm gonna hit that, and then I'm gonna hit the start button at the same time. So hold on to this button, start the car. Maintenance resetting, there it goes. Complete. And then let go. All done. Should 10,000 miles later, it should come back on. And so when I mean plug-in Prius, that means you have one of these on this side. And this is a technology package. So it could be different where they put it, because this one has heads-up display and a bigger monitor. Heads-up display. And then I think this one has like water coming out of here. So that's the version I'm talking about.